Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the JBL Quantum 910 and your Ps5. Turn the headset on and, if needed, plug the USB-C charging cable so battery won't interrupt pairing. Once done, boot the Ps5 and sign into your profile so audio settings are editable. Make sure you have the USB wireless dongle ready, or the 3.5mm cable and controller adapter if you plan a wired connection. This gets both devices in the correct state and saves time when we begin pairing. Next, pair wirelessly using the provided dongle. Plug the dongle into a Ps5 USB port. Front or rear both work, but rear may give a stronger signal. Then press and hold the headset's power/pairing button until the LED blinks, indicating pairing mode. On the Ps5, go to Settings, then Sound, then Audio Output. Choose the USB headset or the name Quantum 910. Confirm output and adjust volume and microphone level. If audio doesn't route automatically, select the output manually. To finish, set preferences and test both chat and game audio. If you're wired, plug the 3.5mm cable into your controller and set output device to controller headset. If wireless, confirm USB headset is selected. Adjust mic level, volume, and 3D audio settings in the Ps5 sound menu so spatial cues are correct. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is missing or mic fails, reboot the headset, reinsert the dongle, and check for firmware updates with JBL software. That resolves most connectivity quirks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.